So the quarterfinals are over and Tetsu was determined to get a spot in the semis and apparently hug up and kiss Tal after the fight. It's the intense contender look back.
Another Wednesday night, another fight. It's Tetsu Davis versus Ryan Young.
Disappointed, I text you and say.
You are fighting too!
Of course! Punches, uppercuts, everything I need that.
You rock, can't be shook. We hot. When will you niggas learn?
Tetsu, congratulations tonight. How was the fight for you?
Thanks much. Well, it's a very good hard fight and I'm pleased at the victory tonight and things. So give it up to Ryan now and come to put on a show. So yeah, well done.
Many persons underestimated you coming in and you kind of knew that. You came out to prove to them tonight or you just came out to do your thing?
Well, from ever since Tetsu Davis have to prove to Jamaica, you know. Always they know that Tetsu always be best and Tetsu can pull it off. They always underestimate me and things, but I don't know what they have to say tonight when they see this fight. So guess what? I don't have nothing to say but I'm say a good fight and I'm pleased at the victory and I love it. Love you all.
You think you should have done differently?
I could have definitely used my jab more, but not just the jab where I'm feeling jab. I could have used a stiff, hard jab, kept him at bay. He was persistent on coming in. I could have came in, touched the body a little bit more, but that's boxing. You know, sometimes it's your night, sometimes it's not. And today was Davis' night, so my hat's off to him and good luck for him and the rest of the contender.
Checking scores, but the final decision is in. The lights went out tonight. Congrats, Tetsu.